Hello there, Helen here, your wellbeing advisor. Now today I wanted to share some of my knowledge about the chakra system with you. So our chakras are individual centers of energy. Now the actual word chakra is a Sanskrit word which comes from India, and it actually means a wheel. So it means a wheel spinning round. Now in the body there are actually 114 chakras in total, because we have them in our arms, our legs, all over, but we have 7 main ones that we focus on. Now these start at the base of our spine and they align all the way up to the top of our head basically. Now what our chakras are here to do is they're here to draw in life force energy from the environment. They're here to process that and then to assimilate the information. Each of the individual 7 chakras reflects an aspect of our lives. So together they actually form, well, a formula for wholeness basically, which joins our mind, our body and our spirit together. So you could look at it that our chakras are like intersections where our mind and our body meet, the physical sort of elements and our mental elements meet. So they're our link really between kind of heaven and earth. Also between the past and the future, and between spirit and matter. So they're really important to us, even though we can't see them. They're designed generally to be fully open and functioning together, all working in harmony. However, unfortunately, our mind and our body and our spirit are not often working in harmony together. And different things that happen to us and experiences how our chakras can get blocked and then not function to their full capacity. So for me to have an understanding of the different aspects of each of your chakra can really help to assess what area of your life you might need to work on and how that chakra can help you, and the things you can do to kind of balance them. So your chakras are called your root chakra, which is the one at the base of your spine. You've got your sacral chakra, which is sort of below your navel. You've got your solar plexus, which is here. You've got your heart chakra, which, as you can imagine, is in your heart center. Your throat chakra is here, your third eye, and then your crown chakra. So I've made a video on each of these chakras so you can get some more information on each individual chakra, and then also there's some tools and some essential oils that are specific to each of the chakras that can help you to balance them all. So go check out the other videos and find out which chakra you need to start with.